国际新闻来看，英国的西北部的瓦海都市绍斯波特，昨有一个17岁查甫囡仔，伫一间囡仔的跳舞教室摕刀乌白台哦，杀死2个囡仔，佮有9个人受伤，其中有6个人是真严重。警方已经把这个嫌犯抓起来，佮调查伊杀人的动机。
现场有警戒线，几台警车加救护车伫现场提名。英国西北部滨海城市绍斯波特2号早起传出野刀攻击事件，警方伫10点外协报了后，派出几台警车加救护車去當地救援。
I called the police, but there's many people on the phone at that point because it was like a bomb had gone off. You know, girls' bodies all over the place.
代志发生的地点是一个儿童舞蹈工作室，迄当時有真侪囡仔當咧參加泰勒斯主題活動，歹徒拿刀弄入去開始攻擊，造成幾個人死傷。
That 2 children have died as a result of the injuries sustained in this morning's knife attack. 9 other children have been injured, and 6 of them are in a critical condition. All those injured have suffered stab wounds sustained during the attack, and 2 adults are also in a critical condition after being injured during the incident.
警方指出，凶嫌是一位17歲查甫人，伫卡蒂夫出事，會接受審問，目前並無發現甲恐怖活動有關係。英國首相斯凱爾講，這個事件真可怕，會當講無法度去想受傷的人甲家屬當地經歷的悲傷甲創傷。
I know the whole country is deeply shocked at what they've seen and what they've heard. And I know I speak for everybody in the whole country in saying our thoughts and condolences with the victims, their families, their friends and the wider community.
英國國王查爾斯3世甲凱特王妃也透過社群媒體 X 發文，對受到傷害的人表達哀悼，佮為受傷的人祈禱，同時感謝緊急救援人員佇關鍵時刻站出來。公視新聞，戴慧仁報道。